I've ever heard. And when we listen, I listen to the land. Can you hear the valley sing? Can you see it in the wind? Can you feel it in her waves? I feel it in the moment, mountain mist that's flowing freely through my veins. You cannot suffocate our land, not all the anger can be paid. Where are we gonna learn? Where are we gonna learn? Where are we going to play? They're building us down again. When will we go to know? When will we learn to know that we have got to say, stop building us down today. Progressing all of our shame. How can they build without any of us going? It's our life, it's our land, it's our right to say. Will you stand up and sing a song that comes from our land? This I know it has no price tag. No price tag. And they're building us down again. My eyes sink into what was there. Hear her heart cry out as the waves they search for sin. And in a concrete world I can't understand. How do we teach the kids that nature is a gift when they've got parking lots, built bathrooms and lit street lamps? That's flowing freely through my veins. You cannot suffocate our land, not all the anger can be paid. Where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna learn? Where are we going to play? And they're building us down again. Where will we go to go? When will we learn to know that we have got to say, stop building us down today? And can you hear this valley sing? Can you feel it in the wind? Can you feel it in the waves? I feel it in the mountain mist that's flowing freely through my veins. You cannot suffocate our love, not all the anger can be paid. Where are we gonna go? When are we going to learn? Where are we going to play? They're building us down again. Where will we go to grow? When are we going to know? When we have got to